Problem number 10. This is a sort of a doozy one here. This one's going to be one that a lot of people just pass on the SAT. But let's look at it. It says if n is equal to 5 to the 2,000th power. Your calculator's not going to be able to do that. That's going to be overflow. That's going to be huge. Plus 5 to the 2002, even bigger. Then what are the prime factors of n? Prime, remember prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by themselves in 1. They only have 2 factors, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Okay, so we remember prime numbers, and it wants to know the prime factors. Looking at these choices, wait a sec, 10 isn't prime. I can take that guy out. 1,000 isn't prime. I can take that guy out. So I've at least narrowed it down to A, B, or D. One of these guys is who's got to be. The trick is this. If n equals, so the answer is equal to these two guys added. What am I supposed to do? Well, think of it this way. We're just trying to think of what numbers multiply together that could give us whatever that answer is. But notice this could be factored. Can you not factor out? Because there's 2,000 fives here. There's 2,002 fives here. So I could factor out. That comes out. Well, that times 1 gives you back the 5 to the 2,000th power. Plus, well, if you pulled out 2,000 of these 5s, how many do you have left behind? 2 of them. Now notice this is going to be 5 to the 2,000th power. In here's going to be 1 plus 25. That's going to give me 26 inside there. I know 26 will factor down to a 2 times 13. This now, right here, obviously it has a power of 5 in it because it's 5 times 5 times 5. That's all it's going to be outside here. It's a bunch of 5s. That's going to be its prime number. So this guy's prime factorization is actually 5 to the 2,000th times a 2 times a 13. There's our answer. Choice D. Not too bad. But you got to remember how to factor out. And that's what a lot of people forget here. We're so used to just factoring, pulling an X out, that you got to remember you can pull 5 to the 2,000th out here. Problem number 10, give it some thought. Not too bad.